Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Auto Andrews Pitchfork indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
This indicator uses the MACD indicator to first identify the extreme price points, meaning the points where the price reaches its minimum or maximum and changes direction at those points. Then it draws two Andrews pitchforks on the last 4 points, which are points 1, 2, 3, and 4. It draws an Andrews pitchfork on points 1, 2, and 3, and another Andrews pitchfork on points 2, 3, and 4. The philosophy of the Andrews pitchfork is such that the price always returns to the middle line after hitting the upper or lower lines. We can use this indicator in such a way that after the price hits the upper line O of the Andrews pitchfork, which is shown with a dashed line, we open a sell trade and wait for the price to reach the middle line, placing the take profit here and the stop loss above the last swings. And for a buy trade, after the price hits the lower line of the Andrews pitchfork, we open a buy trade with the take profit at the middle line and the stop loss at the last swing low. Let's review the settings of this indicator.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Together. There are 4 options for setting up the MACD indicator: the period of the slow-moving average, or count, the period of the fast-moving average, or series, the period of the MACD signal line, and the price on which we calculate the MACD. For each of these Andrews pitchforks, we can specify their color, define their line style, and determine the thickness of these lines. The same applies to the second one. The last parameter is for the number of candles that identify the extreme price points in the past chart. Together we will see the interactions between indicators on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We can also use this same indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Together, we will see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.